Hi guys, I'm Kenine Crooner Finn Austin here, and today I'm going to be ranting on slow internet. If everyone who likes this kind of internet, I'll respect your opinion as long as you respect mine. Enjoy the video. Slow internet? No. More like good internet. Oh my gosh. Slow internet sucks. Slow internet sucks so hard. I hate slow internet with the super flaming burning passion. I'm going to explain why that I hate slow internet with the burning passion. Number 1. I tried watching videos and then it's loading slow and it cannot work right. That's why I hate slow internet with the burning passion. Yeah, slow internet sucks. I like good internet. Okay. Do you know who likes slow internet? No one. And do you know who hates slow internet? Everybody in the whole entire world. They all hate slow internet with the burning passion. So screw slow internet. Good internet is 4 million times better than slow internet. End of rant. If you have any request about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me, on my channel,